In this video, we will demonstrate to you some unique bikes for the regular use of individuals who ride comfortably even when balancing their day-to-day work. These bikes not only help to reduce the stress on the body, but also work for mood refreshers. LFN Bike. The LFN Bike connects vertical drive and electric power in a completely different way to pump the legs on two wheels. The foot pedal moves up and down a steel frame with a travel ring of 20 inches (51 centimeters) and is connected to a 7-speed rear wheel cassette with a mechanism patent vehicle using consumer goods. The all-electric range is 20 miles, 32 kilometers, and you can ride 35 to 60 miles. LFN Bike is the only vehicle that can make you climb a mountain even without the mountain. It has 20 inches of pure pedal stroke and of course it's electric too. You can use it anytime when you decide to do exercise, transportation or for fun ride. Carv Bicycle. Just take a look at the original walking bicycles. So basically, by inspiring Dutch artist Theo Jansen's Strand Beast design, California-based design firm Carv has created what appears to be a bicycle. Resembling alien robots, hind legs had been replaced with 4-wheeled metal machines powered by pedals. They cut over 100 feet of half-inch steel pipe to make the legs and attach them together. Theo Jansen did a great job of making the legs. The feet are unique and nothing can be reproduced. It's just the skin and the pivot like a human ankle, and the bottom gives the bike a stable position. The basic secret behind this bicycle is that a San Francisco art museum called the Exploratorium found the bike online, hosted Theo Jansen's Strand Beast exhibit and invited them to show it too. Hubless Foldable Sada Bike. The Hubless Foldable Sada Bike is an industrial invention of Europe. The bike will close simply and fast, only pushing on the seat. The most unique feature of Sada Bike with spokeless wheels. The packaging is not traditional. Small sizes have the advantage of carrying the bike on the shoulder. The wheels act as the structure of the backpack, and unlike the competitors, the free space for the absence of rails can be used to carry books or other clothing. It is the smallest foldable bike that has wonderful use at each and every place of your convenience. Recumbent bikes. Recumbent bikes are the most interesting bikes to ride like a child. This bike helps to maintain cardiovascular health. Generally, recumbent bikes provide some of the most amazing aerobic and cardiovascular advantages. This bike helps to recline the body positioning. Its pedals are arranged in front of the body. It has a huge chair, full back support, and good sitting conditions. Bikes reduce upper body pain and physical weakness. Its aim is for lower back and cardiovascular exercise. Recumbent bikes are convenient for any age group. It also helps to enhance muscle strength. This cycle is a safer and more comfortable way to cycle. These help to assure a longer and more consistent workout journey like in the gym. We hope you liked our video. Please share your valuable comments if you really like our in-depth content information. We would be grateful for your valuable feedback and time. Stay tuned for more such content videos.